Hey, Hippy Nature fans, I know that you've all been excited for the long-awaited wait of the second episode. Okay, so I have lots of stories to tell you for this episode of Hippy Nature Girl, and we're going to go through your tacticals and your apticals, and even sometimes I just got to explain the story. So I was trekking down the hills of Abernether. Do you know what Abernether is? It's in the centre of the German headlands. And one time I was walking down there and I bumped into a witch. Now this witch wasn't any other witch. He was very, 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 very raw. And he came along the name of Indy. And this Indy guy, mind blown. Really. He gave me this. This is how you gotta hold it. Otherwise, it can explode any minute. But yeah. Indy gave me this magic potion, he says. And it stops the zombies from getting you. Zombies, I says? What could be possibly in a hands of a zombie? Oh, but he said, you gotta pour this over your head like so. Go like this. And go. After that, he just poofed away into his whole little world. But it was okay, mate. It was okay. The next tactical thing I've got to tell you that you got to have so that you don't run into zombies is this. Oh. I'm a tough Hippy Nature Girl, mate. Don't you even worry. Crikey. So this is a miniature sniffer. Simply put it in your nature band and you just go oh no 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 and that's it. Unfortunately, that's what we have for Hippy Nature Girl today, but I'll see you next one.